Hey there, this is Shannon Allen with Aroma Boutik, and I'm going to show you today how easy it is to make a lip sugar scrub. So let me show you what you need, and then you can press pause and run to your kitchen, go grab the things, and let's get started. All right, so what you're going to need is an empty bowl, a spoon. You're going to need some sugar, so 10 teaspoons of sugar. I'm going to cut it in half, so I'm going to do 5. You can use brown or white sugar. You're going to need some fresh lemon juice, and you're going to need some oil, 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. I'm using avocado oil today. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. So this is really fast. So ready? Let's go. So we're going to do 5 teaspoons. I'm cutting the recipe in half so I don't have a ton of product. I'm going to do a little bit of lemon for the flavor. And since I'm doing half of it, I'm going to do just 1 teaspoon. And there you go. Mix. Mix, mix, mix. Now, you don't want the consistency to be too oily or greasy, but you also don't want it to be too dry either. So mine's a little bit, I think, too oily, so I'm going to add some more sugar. Okay, perfect. And there you go. This is a natural sugar scrub. That sugar is a natural glycolic acid, so this means is that it's going to flush off all that dry, dead skin that is on your lips, and bring up new, fresh cells. It's going to be smooth and ready to go, so that when you apply lipstick or whatever lip product you're going to use on your lips after you get done using this, it's going to go on fabulous. So I am reusing a little container that I had from a product, and I'm going to keep it next to my sink and use it. Hello, okay, let's give this a try. I'm so excited. So I put it in my cute little container. I'm going to keep this by my kitchen sink for me to use. So here we go, let's try it. You just need a tiny, tiny bit, you guys, because you'll be eating half of it. So here we go. That tastes delicious. Oh my gosh, smooth and silky. All right, that's all you need. Enjoy your new lip scrub. And let me know your thoughts. And if you liked this video, click like. And if you want to share it with a friend, click share. And happy to share this easy recipe with you. And look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.